Welcome to the 11th Annual Community College Facility Coalition Professional Design Awards, presented by CCFC and endorsed by the California Community College Chancellor's Office. CCFC expresses its appreciation to the architect firms and community college districts who have participated in this year's program. Project and Design, Award of Excellence, Downtown Renaissance Block of the Arts, Riverside Community College District, LPA Incorporated. The Renaissance Block of the Arts project serves a dual purpose: to provide space for instruction and to bring the community downtown to enjoy the arts. The project not only faced the challenge of incorporating instructional and community spaces, but had to link 4 distinct building and project types. Through the blending of instructional and community uses, the project revitalizes an underutilized urban core. Each building that makes up the block provides inviting spaces and venues for students, residents, visitors, and patrons. The project blends the historic and the modern through the use of textures, lines, and landscape to form a cohesive center of the arts. Drought-tolerant and low-maintenance landscaping is a unifying element throughout the block. The use of sun-protected transparent materials maximizes the harvesting of natural light and enables students and the community to easily find their destination. The 2 main buildings are on target to receive LEED Silver certification and include the following sustainable features: adaptive reuse, vegetative and cool roofs, and energy-efficient fixtures. Jurors said this project contributes enormously to the enhancement of the downtown area by providing an exciting and vibrant design while still paying respect to the existing historical character of downtown Riverside. As you turn the corner, the design gracefully changes from a historic theme to a very modern and uplifting theme. When completed, this project will have a positive impact on both the college and the community. Both the restoration of the existing building and the design of the new facility feel right for Riverside. It's truly outstanding. Master Planning, Award of Excellence, Laney College Facilities Master Plan, Peralta Community College District, STV-VBN. Located in Oakland, Laney College meets a critical need for its community. The campus was designed in the 1970s with an inward focus based on urban design and instructional practices of the time. Its physical environment and imposing architecture disconnects the campus from the city. As a result, the campus feels unwelcoming and confusing. Wayfinding on campus is difficult, with no clear entries and little visual distinction between buildings. The master plan creates a roadmap for development that reimagines the campus as a destination within the city. The plan seamlessly connects its neighborhoods and reorganizes the campus to clarify wayfinding. It also transforms the existing space into a welcoming, community-oriented campus. An enlarged green quad has direct views and connections to the Merritt Channel estuary, and the athletics facilities encourage community events. Art and sculpture are located along walkways and within smaller gardens and courtyards, uniting the college and providing multiple learning opportunities. The plan integrates sustainability throughout each aspect of the campus, from infrastructure to existing and new facilities to reforestation. Jurors said the design team of this project seems to have achieved the near impossible. Their vision allowed them to take a very urban, confined, and challenging site and transform it into an open and inviting place. This will create a whole new learning environment and experience for students. This was a very challenging assignment to modify the existing campus layout. The plan creates good flow patterns on the campus. It was a great idea to integrate adjacent water elements into the campus. The proposed connections to the city and the internal plan provide an opportunity to change the college from a walled-in enclave to a center of community life. Growth, Award of Excellence, Physical Sciences and Engineering Center, Foothill De Anza Community College District, Ratcliffe. This major expansion into the historic, architecturally significant campus delivers state-of-the-art facilities in a 3-building complex and marries the campus vernacular architecture with high-tech design solutions. The new center began with a 6-month programming phase. The design team engaged administrators, faculty, and students to identify programmatic requirements that align with the college's mission to support student success. The design of the classrooms focuses on flexibility, active learning, and smart technology integration. The new center capitalizes on its setting by providing multiple indoor-outdoor environments, allowing for a visual or physical connection. The center incorporates multiple sustainable features and is targeted to achieve LEED Silver rating. One of the deficiencies being replaced was the lack of daylight and views. To address this, the project maximized the glazing at the classrooms, lecture rooms, and labs. This transparency allows natural daylight into the teaching-learning environments and affords a visual connection to and from the classroom. Jurors said, the design team followed a very good planning process. They made good use of daylight in the project. The Commons building has a great open, airy feel and neatly incorporates the buildings into the topography of the campus. The use of a variety of finished materials is excellent. These are combined in the perfect proportions to not only enhance and make the spaces very inviting, but to make the project fit seamlessly into its surrounding nature environment. From the plan to the visual concept to the elegant details, this project will stand the test of time as a great design. Growth, Award of Honor, Los Angeles Harbor College Science Complex, Los Angeles Community College District, HGA Architects and Engineers. The Harbor College Science Complex is a rich assemblage of responses to technical and programmatic requirements that provide learning opportunities at multiple scales while giving significantly back to the campus. Since Harbor College has a large population of commuter students, the design team planned various outdoor spaces in which students can continue their studies outside the classroom and collaborate with other students before, after, and in between classes. The project opens itself up with inviting views and entrances. Much of the circulation is exposed to enliven the building. The 3-story science complex is designed to bring the community together and closer to the field of science. Consolidating the once scattered science departments, the complex creates a new central campus hub featuring collaborative and state-of-the-art learning spaces. The sustainable features enhance the student-staff experience through the extensive use of natural daylight and ventilation. Courtyard spaces bring landscape and gathering opportunities immediately adjacent to program space. Jurors said, the project captures the community environment well for the exterior design. The project has great utilization of the central plant building as a learning tool for energy uses. They have created a nice use of circulation space. The project represents the successful integration of LEED Platinum sustainability with both innovative planning and contextual design. Growth, Award of Honor, Heavy Duty Advanced Transportation Technology Building, San Diego Community College District, Marlena Mirzian and Associates Architects. This project plays a vital role in advancing the diesel technology program towards a more comprehensive approach in advanced transportation and alternative fuels. The planning involved extensive programming and schematic design workshops, integrating the entire consulting team with faculty, staff, and major vehicle equipment manufacturers. The design allows for major visibility of the program from the public way, bringing the nationally recognized program a much-enhanced presence in the campus community. Exterior and interior learning spaces are integrated into a comprehensive, holistic learning environment. The project uses optimum integration of highly efficient building systems, with separate systems for the shop areas, classrooms and offices, dynamometer, and storage. Concrete, masonry, and steel are expressed to show their physical connections and keep with the industrial character of the teaching program. The project received LEED Silver certification and incorporates sustainable features such as daylighting to all occupied spaces and large fans providing passive cooling in the shop. Jurors said, "This project is an exquisite example of form following function. The design takes a very industrial, purpose-driven facility and creates a space that makes a bold and beautiful statement about what happens within its walls." The unique gate design makes a statement that this is an industrial training space. The inclusion of heavy equipment manufacturing in the design process was a great idea. There's a nice use of celestial windows to give daylighting to classroom and lab spaces. It's a difficult program challenge which has been transformed into a refined design. Growth, Award of Merit. College of the Desert Eastern Valley Education Center, Desert Community College District, GKK Works. In 2009, the College of the Desert finalized a development disposition agreement with the City of Indio, which permitted the college to obtain a 2.67-acre site in downtown Indio for $1. This agreement forged a relationship between the college and the city, demonstrating how public agencies adopt the value of education and create ties within a strong community. The overall 3-story building mass is truthful in its form and organized into 3 rectangular volumes, which support efficient program organization and clear internal circulation. The center has a multipurpose space on the first floor that is available for community use. Balancing these 3 volumes along the street edge was critical in order to provide clarity and intuitive understanding of how the students and the community engage with the new center. Providing ample daylight within each instructional space is vital to the success of the educational environment. The design team leveraged a set of sustainable strategies in order to meet the building's performance goals and LEED Gold target. Jurors said, "This project fits perfectly into its urban surrounding and is a good creative partnership with the city. Its lines and style are classic and reminiscent of the beautiful public buildings of the 1930s, but it's utterly modern at the same time. It's not intended to be an iconic statement, but this building is a well-executed, quiet urban project that will serve as a link between the community and the educational enterprise. It is a remarkable blend of architectural styles and a truly timeless design." Growth, Award of Merit. American River College Student Center, Los Rios Community College District, LPAS Architecture and Design. The American River College Student Center creates a central meeting place for fostering social and formal interactions between students, faculty, and the community. The project evolved from a simple modernization of a dining facility into an opportunity to create a new campus hub and a center for student life. The planning committee realized that the existing dining hall was an antiquated, poorly functioning building that did not bridge all their needs. This challenged the architect to establish a central meeting place for students, faculty, and the community, and create a destination that would connect the campus network of exterior spaces. The new student center exceeds its intent as a public venue for student activities and is the place to see and be seen on campus any time of day. The center also enriches the campus experience through its transparency and openness. The site's significant topography has been seamlessly integrated into the facility, creating open, accessible connections through the building and surrounding campus. The building extends the vocabulary established for new buildings on campus, with a contemporary expression of metal, glass, and plaster. Sustainable design features include low-E tinted insulated windows, extensive use of natural daylighting, and high-efficiency fan units. Jurors said, We liked the compartmentalized space. By doing this, only the space needed for an activity needs to be open. The lounge area has a nice open flow and feel to the outdoors. The use of woods and choice of color in the interior design tie into the outdoors and provide a calming environment for students. The design makes excellent use of the site topography and soaks in a remarkable amount of natural light.